I broke my unit by doing a video on how to check when your unit is broken, and when I put it back together, I broke the whole thing. I actually had to do the actual lesson I was presenting in the video, and when I did, it was a process, such a process. I mean, I just did the video thinking I wasn't even gonna mess with it, but as soon as I opened up the unit, I hit some connections or something, and that's what shorted out one of my capacitors. So now I have 2 capacitors in there. I did some research online thinking I only needed 1 capacitor, but all of a sudden I find out I still need the 2 capacitors. So I went to an AC store this morning, picked up some capacitors, came back, installed them, everything turned on, but the fan still didn't work, and it was really hot last night sleeping without an AC. So when it still didn't work, I was bummed, and at that point, we needed air conditioning, and I didn't know what I was doing, so my dad called an AC guy. So the AC guy came out, did an inspection, and he checked all my work, and he said everything actually looked really good. I just had one wire that I must have wiggled loose that it was attached to one of the circuit boards in there. So I wiggled a wire loose, he connected the wire, and I had done everything else right. So that's good news. Now I know a little bit more about HVAC, and I hope you learned a little bit about HVAC during this small, short series on me breaking my air conditioning unit. Everything is good. It's running. I opened the door, walk inside. After I got home, I didn't get to meet the guy, but I have a short clip of him showing you this small diagnosis about my wire that was off. I found it. I found it. I don't want to get lit up.
Yeah.
See this?
Oh.
It's common wire. So your common wire wasn't on the relay. That's all it is.
Oh, God bless America. So, you gotta be kidding.
No, but let's test it.
Okay.
So let me pop this back in.
Okay.
This, it's not too bad. You gotta look, I mean,
yeah.
You get the little arc marks right there.
Yes, yes.
It's okay right now, but it's just really tough pulling. Disconnect's very inexpensive.
You can take a piece of sandpaper and just slightly.
Yeah, you can. That's one way to do it, but if it keeps getting hotter and hotter, there's another reason as to why.
Yeah.
But right now, I mean, I'm telling you, I think this is your only problem.
Sweet.
So now that the wire's fixed, we're good to go. AC works, house is cool again, and feels good. All right, well, thank you so much for watching these videos. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them down below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. And I really want to say thank you so much to everybody who's already subscribed to me. Really means the world that you guys support me and support what I'm doing. So I really appreciate you guys. Also, to my Patreons, I can't express how important it is to have you on my team. Thank you so much for being behind me. You're gonna get your shades very soon. And if you guys want your own shades, go to patreon.com/developawesomeskills. You'll get your name in the end of these credits of the videos, become a $3 Patreon, and you'll be able to get your own pair of shades. Develop Awesome Skills with a moringa leaf on them. So they're really cool. I love the shades, and you can have yours too. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, develop awesome skills. Love you guys.